Hello my Braid Spot beauties, this is your girl Ro and I am back with another tutorial. This is a DIY tutorial, that's right, do it yourself tutorial on how I turn my TWA, my teeny weeny afro into these beautiful navy blue locks. Let's get into it.
It's your girl Ro and I'm bringing you love.
I'm going to start out by showing you guys what hair I used. This is the Bobbi Boss NULOCS in the color navy blue, 18 inches. Here I am showing what the length will be once I install the hair. I used 3 packs of this hair and I wanted the distressed look, so what I had to do was purchase the Bobbi Boss Bumble Twist in 12 inches, and the reason I got the Bumble Twist is because I could not find the navy blue color and the deep twist, which is normally used to do the distressed look. And once you start separating, you can get about 4 pieces that I'm going to use to wrap around my twist individually. Here's some other items that I used: some rubber bands, less jam, and a crocheting needle. Before I get started, I do like to let you know that I did pre-rinse my hair in navy blue. Here I am sorting the hair, counting in it. Then I am going to use the rubber bands to do some random sections in my hair because my hair is very short, so I need rubber band method. And I am getting a little help from my daughter. This is what it looks like once I have sectioned it all off, and it is tied around with rubber bands again because my hair is very short and braiding it or twisting it wouldn't have been long enough to do. I've already started adding in the hair. I've already did my first one. This is my second one, and here I am. I'm going to struggle a little bit with this one, so I'm going to fix it, and I'm basically using a crochet needle to pull the lock through, and then I'm taking that same lock and pulling my natural hair through. So I'm going to demonstrate that once again. Here is me pulling the lock through, and then here is me adding in my hair in between the lock. And then the next thing I'm going to do is take the mambo twist hair and just wrap it around. And you want to wrap the first part of it tightly and then loosely, randomly, all the way down to the end of the mambo twist. You don't have to do it all the way to the end of the lock because the mambo twist is going to be stretched out and you want that distressed look. Now, I am going to complete the twisting until I get to the end, and I'll be back. Alright, so I've completed a few in the front, and what I decided to do was just to go ahead and crochet the twist hair in all the sections, and now I'm going to complete wrapping because I felt that it would be easiest. So I think I'm going to demonstrate this for you once again. I'm going to keep wrapping. As you can see, I'm wrapping over, and then I'm going to loosely wrap. And then that's going to give me that distressed look. And I'm sorry if it's going too fast, but that is the speed that I have to keep my video at a minimum. As you can see through the ones that I've already completed, that distressed look is apparent. And also I would like to add that I added a few gold colors just to kind of give it a little pop. So I'm going to keep on wrapping. Keep watching. As you can see here, I am wrapping the blue around the gold because I kind of wanted to give it an ombre effect. And as you can see, it gives it a nice ombre effect. Now I'm going to demonstrate this a little slower here. And what I did was, instead of tucking my hair into the lock, I just decided to take and add some shine jam to it. And then I wrapped the lock around my hair, and that's how I locked it in versus me trying to stick it through. And see, it is camouflage, and I could have left it that way, but I wanted a distressed look, so I'm going to go ahead and add that piece of mambo hair. And as you can see, it is a new day, so I did stop where I was last night, and I decided to finish it this morning. I already started doing my little makeup. As you can see, I have my cute little eyelashes on, and I'm ready to complete this look and start my photo shoot. So I'm going to continue to wrap down again, wrapping loosely to get the distressed look. Again, make sure you wrap the beginning tight to hold it, and then loosely at the end. As you can see, look at that beautiful distress look going on. And I'm going to wrap. Keep watching. As you can see, I've already started the back session, so let me turn around and show you how I do my back. I have no mirror with me, so if you see my parting is off, it's okay, because like I said, I wanted random parting to give it a more natural look more like dreads. I'm going to slow it down for you. As you can see, the back, the first 2 rows have already been completed, and I am working on the 3rd row. Look at that distress. It is just gorge. So like I said before, I just took my hair, I put some jam on it to slick it down, and I just took that soft lock and I just wrapped it around my dread, or my natural hair, I'm sorry. And as you can see, I really didn't need to wrap any hair around again, but I wanted a distressed look, so I'm gonna go ahead and add this hair. It's kind of hard to do it in the back when you're doing it yourself, but you'll get the hang of it, I promise you. Keep watching while I finish it all. As you can see, that's my happy dance. I am finally finished wrapping and installing these locks. I will say this, my head was so tight it hurted. So whenever you do your own, please don't use as much tension as I had, because I ended up taking out a few because they were so tight. Now we're going to finish this off with some mousse. We're going to apply that mousse all over, and this is just to set the hair, to get away some of those flyaways, because we're not going to dip this in hot water. Now if you choose to dip it in hot water, you can. I ended up, because of my braids were so tight, I ended up running my head through some cool water, and it actually added to the distress look, so it made it look a little better than it did without running the water over it. Now we're going to lay these edges. I did leave out the little bit of edges that I have, so we're going to go ahead and tame them and lay them down. I do have the easy edges little tool, and I do have an edge brush that I'm using to lay my edges down. And this easy edge really works good. It holds for at least 24 hours, and we're all done. And it's happy dance time. And it's photo shoot time. You know I can't let this video end without a cute little photo shoot. All right, you guys, that is it. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button so that notification bell can alert you of all the new updates that have been loaded to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media sites. It's been a pleasure to have you with us today. Thank you so much. And as always, be a blessing to others. Goodbye.